So welcome back. In this video we will learn how to use the invisible lines in the project. Invisible lines are used to hide unnecessary or overlapping lines in the geometry. These invisible lines making complex views into simple, easier and to understand by the clients. This also improve the quality by eliminating the unwanted lines. To use the invisible line, go to the Modify tab. In that you can see Line Work tool. Click on that. Select the invisible lines option from the Lines Style drop down. Then after that you can see here you can see the lines. So click on that. Now you can see that the lines are not visible like this, and this got invisible, so your structure and or the model get the clear visibility and without any mess up. You can try like this. Simply click on that lines, so that lines will be got invisible and make your model more clear to the presentation to the clients.